Hello students, welcome back to Infinite Adhan. Today we are here after a few long days. I hope all of you are fine and enjoyed the exam. Now today in this particular video we will be continuing our chapter 6 which is based on exponents and powers, and in our previous classes we have solved up to exercise 1 or 6.1. So now we'll start with exercise 6.2. So let's start our exercise. So here our first question of our exercise 6.2 is express the following in exponential form. So before, let us recall what was exponential form. Exponential form was that, for example, 8, right? For example 8. Now we can write 8 like this also, right? 2 into 2 into 2, right? 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. Clear? Now these 3 2's can be also write in the form of this, right? 2 to the power 3, because in our previous class in introduction I have explained how can we write in this form. Okay, how can write this repeated multiplication in exponential form we have discussed. Okay, now this number, this is known as what? This is base, and this is exponent. This is exponent or index or power, anything we can say. Okay, now this form, that is this expression 2 by 3, 2 raised to the power 3 is known as exponential form. Clear? Very good. Now question asks that we have to express these fractions. This is only a whole number, okay, or integer, but in this case we have fractions. We have to convert them into their exponential form. So we can easily say that 8 equals 2 into 2 into 2, right? For now, suppose if for example 343, now can we say how much is it multiplied with 2 or anything else? Can we say? No, we can't say. So therefore we will take their factors. So first look at the board. That is, we have to find the factors of 343, isn't it? So write 343. Now it is divisible by which number? 7. Let's see with 7. 7 into 4. 7 into 4 is 28, isn't it? 28. Then 6, 3. 7 into 9, 63. Then again 7 into 7. Clear? Then 7 into 1. Up to this clear? Very good. Now we have to find of 1331 also. So let's find out. 1331. This is divisible by which number? It is most probably divisible with 11. Yes. 11 into 1. 11. How many left? 2 left. 2, 3. 11 into 2, 22. Isn't it? Then 23 minus 22 is how much? 1. So 1, 1. 11 into 1, 11. After this clear? Then again 11 into 1, 11. 11 into 1, 11. Then again 11 into 1, 11. After this, very good. Now can we write that is 343 as, look like this, 7 into 7 into 7 into 1. And this 11 1331 is 11 into 11 into 11 into 1. Can we write this? Yes, we can write. If you don't last multiply, 7 into 7 is 49. 49 into 7 is how much? 343. Isn't it? Very good. Now this minus sign we will try to give here. Now, as I have told you earlier that 8 equals 2 into 2 into 2, and this can be written in the form 2 raised to the power 3. Here this 3 means what? This 3 is the number of times we have multiplied a given number, right? This 3. This is known as power or index, and this is base. Which number is multiplied? We will write this number in base, and how many times the number is multiplied, we'll count and write that number in its power. Clear? Okay. Now this 7 is multiplied how many times here? 7 is multiplied. Which number is multiplied? First let us think which number is multiplied here. Here 7 is multiplied, so write 7. Then how many times it is multiplied? It is multiplied 3 times, so we will write 3. Now look, 1 will got cancelled. Okay. There in denominator, which number is multiplied? 11. How many times? 3 times. Up to this clear? Very good. Now can we write this one like this? 7 by 11. Okay, here one negative sign, right? 7 by 11 minus 7 by 11. Here we are taking power common. Clear? Very good. So this is how we can express any supposed rational number in the exponential form. So now let's try this one. You have to show this that is you have to where you have to find factors, you have to do this in your right side of your copy. Okay, you have to do this. Now for 32, let's find out. Do we know how many times 2 is multiplied to get 32? Let's look, have a look. 32 to 16, 2 into 16 is 32, isn't it? Then 2 into 8 is 16, then 2 into 4 is 8, then 2 into 2 is how much? 4. After this also, now again you have to proceed. 2 into 1 is 2. Clear? Then left 243. 243. Now this is divisible with which number? 3. 3 into 4. 3 into 8 is 24. Then 1. Then 3. 3 into 6. 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. Then 2, 1. 3 into 7 is 21. Then 3, 9. 3, 3. 3, 1. Clear? So now we'll write this minus sign. Now 32 can be written in this form, isn't it? That is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? Okay. Now this 243. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I hope you are getting right how to express. First thing we have to find out their factors and then very easy. So now the which number is multiplied? 2 is multiplied. How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Here in denominator which number is multiplied? 3. How many times? 5 times. And in front we have 1 minus sign. Clear? Did we have? Yes. Now if we take common, 2 by 5, sorry 2 by 3, 2 by 3 to the power 5 minus 2 by 3 to the power 5. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now let's proceed to the last one. 1 by 6561, we have to express this. Okay, so no problem, let's find out. First thing we have to find out the factors. Now we no need to find out the factors of 1, right? Because 1 is only factors which is 1, isn't it? 1 is factors how much? 1, isn't it? 1 into 1 is 1. You can we can find infinite number of factors in 1, right? Only the factors will be 1. Now we have to find about 6561. We have to find the factors of 6561. 6561. This is divisible with what? 3. 3 into 2 6. 3 into 2 3 into 1 is 3, isn't it? Then 2 6. 3 into 4. 3 into 8 is how much? 3 into 8, 24, isn't it? 26 minus 24 is how much? 2. 2 into 1, that is 2, 1, 21. 3 into 7 is 21. Then 3 into 7 is 21. 3 into 2 is 6. 2, 7. 3 into 9 is 27. Then 3 into 2 is 6. 1, 2. 3 into 4 is 12. 3 into 3. Then 3. 3 into how much? 3 into 8 is 24. 3, 1. 3, 2, 3 into 2 is 6. Then 2, 1, isn't it? 3 into 7 is 21. Then 3 into 9. Then 3 into 3. Clear? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So can we write like this? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear? So here in numerator no need to do anything. In denominator which number is multiplied? 3. How many times? 8 times. So if we take common 1 by 3 to the power 8, we can write 1 to the power 8 means what? 1. Clear? Okay. So now let's move to our next question, that is question number 2. So our second question is write 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 in the exponential form taking base 3. Okay. Now look, up to this if it was okay. Till now we have find out we have expressed numbers in exponential form, right? For example, the question will be like this, right? 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 in the exponential form. So we'll just look which number is multiplied. 9 is multiplied. How many times is multiplied? 1, 2, 3, 4. So we'll just write 9 to the power 4. But here what is written? Taking base as 3 in place of 9. This is our base, right? In place of this 9 we have to find out our we have to take base as 3. So how is it possible? Very interesting question. Okay, let us look at the board. First let us write this expression 9 into 9 into 9 into 9. Now can we write 9 as how much? 9 equals 3 into 3. Can we write this? Yes. If we write, then 9 equals 3 into 3, isn't it? Then we can take base 3. Okay. So let's look. So in this place for this 9 we will write 3 into 3, isn't it? Then this into, then again 3 into 3, then again 3 into 3, then again 3 into 3. Clear? How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 4 is 9. Okay. This is for this, this is for this, this is for this, this is for that. Clear? Okay. Now can we write this 3 into 3 as 3 to the power 2. Here also 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 2. Can we write this? Yes, we can write, because we have to express this in the exponential form. Okay. Now in the that is at the beginning, that is at introduction class, I have discussed few laws of exponents, isn't it? Suppose like this, a to the power m into a to the power n equals a, then m plus n. We have discussed formulas like this, right? Okay. Now look here, if we consider 3 as a and m as 2. Okay. This is also a. Now here both n m both the exponents are same. Okay. Then this is more better. Okay. So now we'll use that formula. Okay. We'll use that formula because we have same base, right? If we have same base and power different or same, we'll what? We'll add the powers. Okay. Like this. Here look, we have same base. isn't it? So we'll take the base common and we'll add the powers, that is m plus n. Same in this case also, we'll take common from all these 4 forms. We'll take common 3. Okay, now what we'll add? We'll add 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Clear? Very good. Now again, how many? 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 2 8, 3 to the power 8. Now clear? Look, we have expressed this form, that is 9 into 9 into 9 into 9 in the exponential form. Yes, this is exponential form, right? And it is also have base 3. So this is how we can solve such type of questions. So I think it will be more better if we solve another one, that is Roman number 2 of our textbook. Here in that case, write 8 into 8 into 8. Same question, just the numbers are different. Write 8 into 8 into 8 in the exponential form, taking base as 2. Clear? In that case, we have to same thing, right? We can't write this form as 8 to the power 3. We have to express this into the exponential form having base 2. So same as of earlier, in this case also we will first write this 3 8 and then we will find that is what? Look, 8 into 8 into 8. Clear? Now for this 8, can we write this one, that is 2 into 2 into 2. Can you write? Yes. 2 into 2 4, 4 into 2 8. Clear? Okay. Now for this 8, 2 into 2 into 2. Now for this 8, 2 into 2 into 2. Very easy questions, right? Now look, how many 2s are multiplied here? 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 3. Clear? Now same formula, base common, power also, that is power is also common, so we will use our this one. Clear? So here we will take common base 2 and powers will be what? 3 plus 3 plus 3. Up to this clear? Okay. So 3 plus 3 is how much? 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 3 9. So it can be written in the exponential form as 2 raised to the power 9. I hope this is clear to you. You can express any you can solve any such type of questions. Okay, so now let's move to our next, that is question number 3. So our third question is simplify. Simplify means what? We have to express any form in the simplest form. Okay, so here we have 2 to the power 3 into 2 square whole square. If it was, now we have started thinking that if it was plus sign, we can easily solve, because we know 1a plus b whole square formula, isn't it? But here it is not plus, but it is multiplied. Okay, so let's see how can we simplify this expression, okay, to its simplest form. So now look, square means what? 4 square. For example, let us take 4 square. 4 square means what? 4 into 4, isn't it? So here 2 to the power 3 into 2 square. Can we write this form? This form is like this: 2 to the power 3 into 2, then into 2 to the power 3 into 2. Can we write? Yes. Same as of this form. Okay. Now look, here this 2 has every number has power what? 1, isn't it? So here we can write as consider we have every number has power 1. So here 2 has also has power 1. This 2 also has power 1. Clear? Now if we take common base is common, so base will be what? 2. Now in power it will be what? 3 plus 1, isn't it? It will be, right? Okay. Now in this case also same, 2 3 plus 1. Up to this clear? Okay. Now 2 uh, 3 plus 1 is how much? 3 plus 1, it is 4. In this case it will also be 2 to the power 4. Up to this clear? Okay. Now again in this case which formula we used? We used that one. Look, we will write since a to the power m into a to the power n equals a to the power m plus n. Okay. In the next line we will also use same formula. Look here, power what? Power is also same, base is also same. So we will take common power base, and power it will be what? Power 4 plus 4, isn't it? Now 4 plus 4 is how much? 4 plus 4, it is 8. Sorry, 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. So we will write here 2 to the power 8. Clear? In that case also we will write same thing, since a to the power m into a to the power n equals a to the power m plus n. Up to this clear? We have started from this and ended here. Okay, this is our second question. Clear? First thing we have to expand this. Here expression is 2 cube into 2 whole square. So we have expanded 2 cube into 2 into 2 cube into 2. Clear? Now we everyone knows that every number has power 1. Clear? Okay, every number is has denominator 1, every number is multiplied with 1, every number has power 1 also. Okay. Now here this 2 is power 1, this 2 also is power 1. Clear? Now if we take common base is common, base common will be 2. Now power is what? 3 plus 1, isn't it? In this case also same, base common, power 3 plus 1. Now 3 plus 1 is how much? 4. So 2 to the power 4 into 2 to the power 4. Clear? Now again in this case also we'll take common base 2. Now 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. So it will be 2 to the power 8. So this is our simplest form. Now can you that is simplest form of exponential form. Clear? Now can you this simplify it more? Can you simplify? It is not possible. Okay. So I hope this is clear to you how we can simplify. Very good. So now let's solve the next one. You have to just remember the rules, okay, exponential rules, then it will be very much easy for you to solve such type of questions. Look, in numerator we have what? First write solution. Numerator we have 5 to the power 8, nothing to do here. Do we have can we do anything? No. But in denominator can we take base common as 5, and power it will be what? Power will be 5 plus 3, isn't it? Is this okay? So here what we will write? We will write since a to the power m plus a to the power n equals a to the power m n. Clear? Sorry. A to the power m into a to the power m, it will be m plus n. Clear? Okay. So it will be how much? 5 to the power 8 by 5 to the power how much? 5 plus 3, it is also 8. Clear? Okay. Now we have another formula, isn't it? This one, since a to the power, okay, this look, a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals a to the power m minus n. We know this one also, right? These are the rules which I have discussed in our first class. Okay, if you don't watch that video, you can watch. So this that is a to the power m divided by a to the power n. This is in this form, right? That is 5 to the power 8 divided by 5 to the power 8. So here in place of 5, that is in place of a, what we will write? 5, isn't it? In place of this a, we will write 5. So let's write 5. Clear? Okay. Now power is what? M and n. In both case it is same, 8 and 8. So we will write 8 minus 8. Clear? Okay. Now 8 minus 8 is how much? 0. Eight minus 8 is how much? 5 to the power 0. Now this means what? 5 to the power how much? Any number has, if any number has its power 0, that means how much? Its value is 1. Clear? It is 1 because we have one formula also, right? That is a to the power 0 equals 1. Clear? Okay. So I have started from here, and this was another questions. Okay, and we have ended there. So now let's move to our third question. Here third question is what? 3 to the power 20 divided by 3 to the power 15 into 3 to the power 3. So let's proceed, no problem. So it can be written what? We have one formula also, right? 3 to the power divide. So it will be 3. We will take base common, then 3, 20 minus 15. Clear? 20 minus 15. Then into 3 to the power 3. In bracket we will write since, that is a divided by a to the power m divided by a to the power n equals a m minus n. Clear? We will write this one in bracket because we have used this formula in this case. Clear? Okay. Now what can we write? 3, 20 minus 5 is how much? 20 minus 5, it is 5. Then into 3 to the power 3. Now as common we will take 3 common, then 5 plus 3. Clear? We will write here since a to the power m into a to the power n equals a to the power m plus n. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. For our next part will be how much? 3, then 5 plus 3 is how much? 5 plus 3, it is 8. So this is the simplest form. Clear? Very good. So now let's move to our fourth question, which is also a simplified one, but I think it will be a bit different type of. So let's start our question number 4. So here our question is 2 to the power 7 into divided by 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power 5. Same thing, we have to simplify it. So first we will solve this, and then we will find their result. Okay, let's see. Now we know one rule, right? Look, we can write like this also, 2 to the power 7 minus 3, because into 2 to the power 5. Can we write? Yes, because we know one rule, since a to the power m by a to the power n equals a to the power m minus n. Yes, isn't it? Yes. Now look, 2 to the power 7 minus 3 is how much? 4 into 2 to the power 5. We can write 2 to the power 4 plus 5, because we will write since a to the power m into a to the power n equals a to the power m plus n. Clear? Okay. Now 4 plus 5 is how much? 9. So it will be 9. 2 to the power 9. Clear? Very good. This one is very easy. Okay. Now let's move to our next one. That is Roman number 2. Look, how can we solve this? We'll write solution. Now we have one other formula, isn't it? Look, 2 to the power, suppose this one, a to the power m whole power n equals what? A to the power mn, isn't it? We have this formula, so we will use this one in this case. In this case, we will write 2 to the power this equals 2 to the power 2 whole power 4 means what? 2 to the power 2 into 4, clear? Then into 3 to the power 8, then into 5 to the power 8, clear? I have just used this formula, a to the power m whole power n equals a to the power mn. Mn means what? M is multiplied with n. So here same thing, in place of a you consider this what? 2, okay. Now in place of m you considered 2, in place of n you considered 4. So it will be what? 2 to the power 2 into 4, clear? So I have written 2 to the power 2 into 4, okay. Now it will be how much? 2 into 4 is how much? 2 into 4 it is 8, then 3 to the power 8, then into 5 to the power 8, clear? Okay. Now we have another formula, we have to just recall, okay. We have to recall all those formulas which we have discussed in our first class. Now look, we have another formula, isn't it, like this? A to the power m into b to the power m equals ab to the power m. We have one formula, right? In this case, what this is, base is different, power is same. If we have this, we will use that one. In that case, when we have base different and power same, we multiplied the base. And take the power common. Okay. So here we have multiplied the base, isn't it? A into b. AB means what? A into b to the power m. We have taken the power common. Okay. So here also we will multiply. 2 into 3 is how much? 2 into 3 it is 6. 6 to the power 8 into 5 to the power 8. We will write this one since this part. Okay. Now again this step, base is different, power is same. So again after this we are here. Okay. Here also base is different but power is same. So we will write what? 6 into 5 is how much? 6 into 5 it is 30 to the power 8. We will write since that one, a to the power m into b to the power m equals ab whole power m. Okay. Clear? Very good. So this is our required answer, 30 to the power 8. I hope this is clear to you. Okay. There is nothing, we have to just remember all those rules, and according to the rules if we proceed we will get our required answer. So this is for today's class, and let's end it here, and the remaining questions we will solve in our next class. Stay safe, stay blessed, and thank you.